Hello friends, this is Savan Kumar and I wanted to talk to you about that one guy who has made it big, who has a damn futuristic thinking, who thinks of technologies and science as something that he can do everything. He can study, he can learn, he can reach to levels where nobody has ever thought before. Building electric cars, building online payment systems, taking spacecrafts to space and bringing them back. So many unconventional things, and one person. That one person is Elon Musk, one of the most richest person on earth, one of the most powerful person on earth, and the only most futuristic person on earth who does not need to see the future, he actually builds the future. He does not see the future. When most of us are struggling to see the future, we keep going to astrologists and numerologists and tarot card readers to know what our future would be. He is one person who decides and builds not only his future, but he is building the future of the universe. He is working on giving us things that we could have never thought of. Yes, he is one of his kind, one of the person who, these are people like him are very few in numbers. Thomas Edison, Wright brothers, these are those set of people who, when they end their life, they have given so much to the entire system that we cannot even think of. So what makes them special? What such thing is there inside them that makes him so special and so successful? Let us try and understand a few of his ideas about life, his work, how he does what he does, and what he does. Yes, we will be knowing a little bit about him. It's difficult to tell about him in a short video, but yeah, a little bit about him. The number one thing, he works hard. I would say he works super hard. When all of us are trying to work hard, when all of us try to work hard and we hardly work hard, he believes in working super hard. He says that he has to work every waking hour. He works every waking hour. If he is awake, he is working. He does not do anything else other than work. 7 days a week, 365 days a year, the only one thing that he does is work. I remember a story when he was starting PayPal and he was starting working on PayPal, building that website to do those online payment transfers. He said that in the mornings the website used to be up and the transactions used to happen, and he used to code at nights. So there was a small apartment that he used to share with his friend or brother, somebody, and the entire day they were busy marketing and sales and promoting the business, getting more business for themselves. At night he was coding because they had one computer and that was required to keep the website live during the day, and in the evening at night they used to code and make it better. Another calculation that he gives is about working super hard, that when most of the world is thinking of working 40 hours a week, if you stand up and work for 80 or 100 hours a week, you are actually achieving twice than what they are achieving. You are achieving 100% more than what they are achieving. This is another thing that keeps him far ahead of us, because I think he works for more than 100 hours a day, and he has been 100 hours a week, and he has been doing that for years now. We get tired. If we work hard for a week, we want a break. We need a break. We need to take rest. But he never needed a rest. He never needed to sleep. He kept working hard and very hard. Number 2, getting sleep. He strongly says that you should be getting a good amount of sleep. This might vary from person to person, and he says that he sleeps for about 6 to 6.5 hours, which is good for him, but I believe that is good for most of us. 6 to 6.5 or 7 hours of sleep is good for most of us. We can be very well alive with these number of hours of sleep. And why does he say to at least sleep for these many hours? Because if you sleep less, even if you sleep less, you have more of working hour, but the amount that you can give to work would be far less. So it's better to give your body the rest it requires, so that the amount of time it is awake, it is able to give 100%. Our extra of sleep would not have that impact in your number of hours, but it will have a great impact on your productivity. So make sure that you are sleeping well, you are sleeping healthy, you are sleeping sound, and it is really important. If you are giving up on sleep, I was giving up on sleep. I remember when I started with my business, I was sleeping not more than 4 hours a day, and that had a massive impact on my health. And my productivity was also not very good. I was always stressed, I was always burdened with something or the other, and it was not good. It was not a good place to be in. So it's important that you sleep well. Number 3, sacrifice. You will always have to be ready to make a lot of sacrifices. These sacrifices would come in different forms. You will be asked to make sacrifices in different forms. It would be in types of kind of losing money. When he sold PayPal and got a lot of money, spent all the money he had into different businesses, and that the kind of sacrifice he made for himself was he did not even have money to pay rents when he expended all the money. If people like us gets $100 million by selling something, the first thing that we would be doing is buy luxury cars, buy luxury homes, go on luxury holidays. What he did was he bought 2 or 3 companies, got into 2 or 3 businesses, and he did not have enough money to even pay the rentals. So he sacrificed his money, he sacrificed his sleep, he sacrificed his life actually to become what he has become today. You need to sacrifice. Team. Nobody can achieve anything alone. This is a well understood fact. This is a well determined fact for me, for you, for everybody of us here. We have to understand one thing, that we cannot do it alone. We need a team, and we need a good team to work. We cannot do everything alone. We have a lot of things to do, and it cannot be done alone. We need a team, we need a good team that we can trust on, that we can believe in, and that can deliver. That can deliver when we want them to deliver. These are the things that make him great, make him what he is today, and we'll have more from him. We'll have more to know about him in the upcoming videos. Until then, be motivated and keep improving your life by working super hard, sleeping well, doing sacrifices, making sacrifices, and building a great team for yourself. Have a good day.